Yeah, but I think I marked it on monthly. Yeah, it was monthly. Monthly, I could see here the market left some order block. Yeah, even this order block. No, this was this one here. But then I saw that when the market is going to reverse, it will reverse here first. Let me just clone this one here. Yeah, let me clone it and put it this one. So I saw that the market to come back to this order block here, it will take a while. Even here will take a while, but then I took this area here, yeah, whereby I believe that the price will come and mitigate or and fill this, or the price will come up to this area here in a nearby future, not now.